Danny Kennedy, how significant is it to get EU funding towards this project, to get it going, getting it underway?
Well, this is a very important red letter day for Northern Ireland, and the announcement, the confirmation of £2.8 million in sterling towards the development of the hub project at Great Victoria Street in Belfast. This is enormously good news. I'm delighted that my officials have been able to secure this. We're looking forward to bringing this important project to conclusion as quickly as we possibly can, and I think there are huge benefits that will be obtained by it.
Huge benefits. How important is this as a project for not just Belfast but for Northern Ireland as a whole?
Well, I think this project has the potential to actually transform public transport and travel in Belfast and Northern Ireland generally. Because of the hub that it will create. It will also significantly regenerate an area of Belfast that needs employment prospects to be improved, that needs to improve the social conditions of the population living around that, and I see huge opportunities, not least for the general economy to benefit hugely from this project. I'm delighted with it. It's a huge step forward. I want to thank the EU officials who've worked hard with my own officials to secure this, and I think it is a really good news day for Belfast and for Northern Ireland.
I mean, it's early stages at the moment. This is going to be a study into making this happen. It's going to be several years, isn't it, before we can see the plans behind you come to fruition?
Well, I think the important thing is that we are making progress on it, real progress, and the announcement today confirms that. I think there is now the very real possibility of this being created as an iconic building to facilitate public transport and assist the local economy in Northern Ireland, as well as assist in a socially deprived area.
I mean, this hub comes really, when you arrive in Belfast from the international airports, a lot of international travellers would be going through this hub. Does that make it a kind of crucial gateway for Belfast, for Northern Ireland?
Well, it's currently already one of the crucial gateways, and I think the significance of the announcement today that will be even further enhanced. And so I think the possibilities here are really tremendous. And I think I'm very excited that this announcement today continues the very good work of my department, my officials, with their engagement in Europe, working collectively, collaboratively and positively with others to achieve something of real significance for the people of Belfast and Northern Ireland.
A final question. This is money towards the study. Are you hopeful, optimistic that you can get more European funding for getting the project, the actual building blocks, underway when you get to that stage?
Well, one of the reasons why I'm over this week in Europe is seeking to identify further opportunities. We're not complacent, we're not content to simply leave it at this announcement. We see other opportunities. We have people representing the airports of Northern Ireland and the ports of Northern Ireland over with me, with my own team of officials, engaging with Europe to see what potential benefits we can further attain as a result of EU membership.